12 divided by 3 upon 2 plus 6. Use the rule of BODMAS. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction is equal to first division. 12, change the sign here, multiplication, then write its reciprocal KCF. Plus 6. 24 upon 3 plus 6. 3 1s are 3, 3s are 8, 24 is equal to 8 plus 6 is equal to 14 is the correct answer. Press the subscribe button. चॅनलला सब्सक्राइब करा. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.